Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, as you saw, I got a lot of parts in. Today's video is just gonna be one of those installs. I got 3 parts. 2 of them are performance parts, the other one's kind of for show. But today we are going to be installing the Cobb access port. So, quick little overview of where I got everything. I got everything from Stage Motorsports. If you guys don't know what Stage Motorsports is and you're on the East Coast, you're lacking. Stage Motorsports is a company ran by a few guys who have the same passion. They just love cars. They have a wide variety of pretty much everything and anything. And if they cannot find, or if they do not have what you want in stock, they will go out their way, find someone that does. They have a lot of connections, a lot of buddies who run companies, so that's what happened here. I ordered everything through them. They didn't have a Cobb access port in stock, so they went to Import Image Racing and they got me an access port at the same price, and they overnighted it for free. So check them out. I'll put their link in description. Great guys. They're just there to help, so make sure you guys check them out. So now let's get started. Do the unboxing and the install of the Cobb access port. Let's go. Alright, so as you can see, got the box right here, Cobb access port. It's got some, I don't know if you can read that, got some warning labels. You know, typical box. Open it up, and this is the Cobb access port V3. By the way, that's the newest model that they have. Just a quick little startup. You got this box right here. Seems pretty durable, pretty tough. I don't know, I'm trying to store it for some reason, but it's going in the car, so I don't know why you need this. So open it up here. Got the startup guide, instructions and all that stuff. You got all your cables and stuff here. You got a shell, black shell. Got some stickers. Everyone needs stickers. Whatever you would call this. You clip this on and you could put it in your car in certain places. I think this is the cable that you connect to your computer when you want to download new maps. And then here it is, the actual access port itself. So yeah, if you guys don't know what a Cobb access port is, it's pretty much reflashes the ECU, put different maps on it. Definitely, if you have a Subaru, WRX, STI, whatever, I recommend getting one of these first, cause more stuff to put on. But this is definitely a must-have. I mean, they have, if you go on their website, they have their little packages, like stage 1 packages and everything. You get like a downpipe, what else? Intake, stuff like that. And well, and that's like basic modifications to a car. An access port kind of puts it all together. Get different maps. You could buy Pro Tunes for this. So this thing is definitely a must-have. So yeah, as you can see, it's everything you get in the box. So let's get to installing it. Alright, so I don't know how well you guys could see right now, but I am inside the car. So you want to find your OBD connection. So go where light is, can't really see, but the male end, or the female end, sorry, of this. Now if you are on a 2013 WRX is going to be right underneath your driver's side. So what you want to do is you want to find that, and you just want to plug it in and then plug the other end of this connector to the actual access port. Alright, and as you can see, once you do that, this screen pops up. So I don't know why it's all weird like that, but basically it says okay, it's a select, cancel, blah blah blah. It's pretty much giving you instructions. So I'm hitting continue. Then you're gonna go where it says install access port. Man, that's probably annoying. It's like flashing like that. Alright, anyway, so install. Now it's telling me to put the key in the ignition and turn it on. So I am. Now it says confirm my vehicle is 2013 United States domestic market Impreza WRX. Yes, it is. Previous tune has been detected. Yeah. Continue. This car was previously tuned. Now it's pretty much giving me all these different maps that I want to do. You guys probably can't see that. You have like economy mode if you want to save power. Oh, that was another Subaru. Alright. We're gonna go with the stage 1 93. Yep, make sure nothing is on. Turn off the radio. Turn that off. You just pretty much don't want to drain your battery while it does this. This thing is relatively quick when it first loads up the tune. And the Cobb access port does save your previous tune. So say, like right now, I'm inserting a tune right now. Say I don't really like it, I don't like how the car is running. It will save the stock tune or previous tune that was already on the ECU. So you can just reflash it and go back to that tune that you previously had. So that's one good thing about this. Now it says please turn and leave the ignition in the off position. Alright. Turned it off. This thing is so fast. Alright, now turn back on. Continue. Now it's pretty much resetting the ECU. Doing all the usual stuff. Alright. Installation successful. Please turn ignition key to off position for at least 15 seconds before starting vehicle. Alright, that's really annoying. Alright. So now, get in the car. And alright, so car is started. You could so you can get different gauges on here and everything. Man, that's loud. Let me close the door. Roll up these windows. Alright, so man, I hate how it's doing this. I don't know why it's like that. It's annoying. But yeah, so you can get up to 6 gauges. Performance, you can measure, you scan your car, see if you got check engine light, do different tunes, and completely uninstall it. So that, once again, Cobb access port is a must-have. This thing works wonders. Yeah, guys, so hope you enjoyed the quick little install. Apologize for the quality. You can't really read the access port because it's all weird like that. Try to edit it and fix it. Put the link in the description. Make sure you guys check out Stage Motorsports. Great company. Anyways, we'll see you guys later. Stay tuned. I have 2 more install videos coming up, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get notifications when I post a video. That's stupid. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. Stay tuned for the next videos. Peace.